Hey guys, welcome back to episode 3 of our 5-part series on smoked entrees. And today we're doing a bit of a classic in Oysters Kilpatrick. A little bit different though. We're going to use sour cream as the base to our sauce. So we've got all the ingredients here. I've pre-shucked the oysters. They're a little bit small for this time of the year, but it's just the beginning of the season. But they'll still come up great. So let's get into it and I'll show you what to do. Okay, nice simple one here. So start with your sriracha, barbecue sauce, Tabasco sauce, and of course your sour cream, and add some diced bacon bits into a bowl. Of course you need your oysters pre-shucked. Now start by taking your sour cream and placing a few spoonfuls of that into a bowl, followed by some barbecue sauce, your sriracha sauce, and a few drops of Tabasco. Now mix that all into the bowl until you get a nice consistent colour. And simply take that sauce and add it to your oysters. Add some bacon bits. And there you go. Okay, so our oysters are all prepared now. Ready to go into the smoker. I do recommend putting them on a wire rack like this just so they don't fall over. So let's get them in the smoker and start cooking. Okay guys, there it is, creamy Oysters Kilpatrick. So a little bit of a twist on the traditional style of Oysters Kilpatrick. Give it a go. Now, if you don't like the spices, just leave out the sriracha and just concentrate on your barbecue sauce, Tabasco, and your sour cream, and just keep checking it until you get it to the strength that you like it. Now, a good tip with that sauce as well is it's an excellent seafood sauce, so it goes really, really well with prawns and fish. So if you make too much of it, just pop it in the fridge, it'll keep for a few days. That's it for this video. Thanks for joining us on this 5-part series. We'll see you on episode 4.